How to review following on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review following on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here all you need to do just click this one, activity log, and here you will find this one, following. Just click on it and now you will be able to review following, and that's how to review following on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.